This one nasty lollipop.
Isaac would record this shit and put it on YouTube.
This is a good lollipop.
Oh, she gonna leave. I know she gonna leave.
I can't wait. No leaking yet.
So far, it smells nice.
I don't think we should be able to smell it. There's another car behind us.
Well, duh.
Oh, I smell it. It smells kind of good.
It smells like lemon. I feel like someone's body's just coming into our car.
There's always stuff.
Oh god. Now we gotta go through the blow dryer. I'm not leaking.
I know. I'm surprised.
Oh god, guys.
Oh, she's strong. Oh my god, my
I feel air coming through the door.
Your wipers.
I feel the air coming through the door.
It smells nice.
It smells like cleaner.
Oh. It just like
Hey, got the bird poop.
it's leaking. It's above your shoulder.
I knew it was gonna leak. Lordy. Where did it
Let's
leak
tip the
back
Jeep
there?
over on your shoulder.
Oh, did it really?
Yeah.
Then it ran up here. Now it's leaking right there.
Oh god, guys.
Free vacuums.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Do you see it?
The food. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
The,
Where did that come from?
the glove box. Guys.